itself. Oh, there's a camera on there, but I don't know where it's gone.
Oh, right, so the one that you went on had a camera?
Yeah. Hey, wait, two clouds over here at once.
Must be, eh? Oh!
I told you I knew.
Oh, this is weird. That's bizarre, isn't it?
The first drop is so steep.
Casper says the first drop is so steep, so here we go.
Can't go first. I don't think he knows we're here. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Nice view out there. Voltron going round.
Yeah? Wait, it wasn't going around when we were looking.
Oh yeah, oh my goodness me, that's really steep, you didn't say. Woo! That's good fun.
I'm literally holding my breath and don't want to lose it. I want to keep moving. So I don't want to lose it.
Woo! Oh, we love a good wild mouse. Oh, is there?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, here we go. Through here.
Oh my goodness. Oh, and that is it.
That look how steep that was.
That is really cool.
I did tell you, huh?
You did, yeah. So that's a win for Casper, he loved that one.